Here are some ideas to help you plan. Planning your itinerary. Dates. Consider the best time to visit each location based on weather and seasonality. Gilgit-Baltistan is best visited between May and September for pleasant temperatures and accessible roads. Murree is ideal in spring, March-May, or autumn, September-November, to avoid extremes of heat and snow. Islamabad enjoys pleasant weather year-round, but summers can be hot. Karachi is best visited during the cooler months, November-March. Transportation. Decide how you'll travel between locations. Buses, trains, and domestic flights are options. Renting a car gives flexibility but might require prior experience with local driving conditions. Accommodation. Book hotels or guest houses in advance, especially during peak seasons. Consider homestays in Gilgit-Baltistan for a deeper cultural experience. Vlog content ideas. Breathtaking scenery. Capture the majestic mountains of Gilgit-Baltistan, the scenic hills of Murree, the modern cityscape of Islamabad, and the bustling atmosphere of Karachi. Cultural immersion. Experience local traditions and customs. Interview locals, try regional cuisine, visit historical sites, and attend festivals or cultural events. Food adventures. Sample various street food and delicacies throughout your journey. Try local specialties like Baltistan's apricot cake, Murree's siri pay cheese and yogurt dish, Islamabad's halwa puri, deep-fried sweet, and Karachi's biryani. Unique experiences. Take a jeep safari in Gilgit-Baltistan, go hiking in Murree, explore the Faisal Mosque in Islamabad, or visit the Quaid-e-Azam Mausoleum in Karachi. Travel tips. Share insider information and practical advice for fellow travelers, like visa requirements, local transportation options, and cultural etiquette. Additional tips. Learn some basic Urdu phrases. Respect local customs and dress modestly, especially in religious places. Hire a local guide in remote areas like Gilgit-Baltistan. Be mindful of drone regulations and obtain necessary permits if needed. Edit your footage and add engaging music and commentary to create a captivating vlog. Remember, research thoroughly and be respectful of local communities and cultures. Obtain necessary permits and permissions for filming in sensitive areas. Ensure your content is accurate and promotes responsible tourism. By following these suggestions and showcasing your unique perspective, you can create a fantastic travel vlog that inspires others to explore the wonders of Pakistan.